Sometimes, very occasionally, and in fact rarely, I'll take on some commissions. In this video I'm showing two commissions. This one to start with is a stainless steel outdoor table. I'm working with stainless steel here for the very first time ever, and then later on I'll take you into another outdoor table just using mild steel. When I was quoting for this job, I really didn't do my homework very well. I work with steel normally, and in this occasion the customer wanted stainless steel. I estimated a price for the stainless steel, not knowing that it costs about 3 times as much as ordinary mild steel, so it really cut into my profit margin on this, which wasn't very much at all. So I'm making these legs here, but the key to it is repeatability. So on the flat table there I just made one leg, and then I set up some jigs on my welding table, and then that enabled me to copy the other 3 legs to the exact same profile as the first one. Very difficult working by yourself like this. I have to admit, getting this set up so it's all perfectly plumb and square was a little tricky. I made some marks on the table there and was able to get the base lined up. It's actually the top of the table lined up perfectly, and then I was able to tack weld it all together and then check it again for true, and just kept going from there. Here I am on the mill drill, just setting up the holes for the base plates for the wheel attachments just now. That's a 12mm drill there. I know I'm going way too fast for that drill, but I was just too lazy to change the belt speed. These are actually the last 2 jobs I'm taking on in this workshop, my home workshop here, because we are moving up to the Atherton Tablelands, and slowly but surely I'm moving all the equipment up there, so I have to take all my welding gear up there eventually, so I've decided these are the last 2 jobs. Well, that's pretty much it for the first one. It was just a commission to make the base. The client has engaged somebody else to make the tabletop, so that's my job done. And now we're on to the second table, and this is 100mm by 10mm flat bar. It's quite heavy steel, so I took this into a fabrication shop with a big heavy roller. My little roller wouldn't handle this, and they rolled it up for me, and that's the starting point for this next table. So again here I'm just scribing out a template on the welding bench there, just to get all the legs exactly the same. I've got to say, I've never had this welder up this high a setting before, and 10mm steel. I'm normally welding about 3mm steel, so I think I had it set up to do what's called spray welding. It didn't have the same crackle, it just hissed. I've noticed a lot of talk on welding forums about whipping or weaving your weld. You really shouldn't be doing that if you want good penetration, but I'm making furniture here, and my goal is to try and make it look as pretty as I can. So I pretty much always whip or weave my welds. Ah yes, I'm probably in trouble. So for this joining gusset, I take my time, get it to fit right, and then I'll make a template and copy it out, make all the other pieces that I need from that. So I'm just roughing out a shape here for these end plates. Put it in position, tack it, and bash it some more whilst it's in position. That seemed to work quite okay. I'll literally make any excuse to get on the lathe. Now I could have just cut this out on the bandsaw, but I would have had saw marks in it. I thought let's have a bit of lathe practice. So I'm making some end plates for that tubular steel that I put on the two end frames. Well, my parting tool wouldn't quite reach the centre. Now I didn't trust it anyway, it's only like 2 mil thick, so I ended up hacksawing off that last little bit and cleaning it up with the grinder. Again, this is an outside table, so I'm just using a bit of 2-pack satin black here to finish it off. So my work here is just about done. After the paint goes on, that's it. The customer's organising a stone top, and that's not coming in until February. Special stone top being cut for it. So that's about it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd love to see you on the next one. Take care.